side. Bring it up right here. Easy on the left side.
See this scarring here?
Yes, that one goes to the secondary pile.
Automated scanning of camel leather hides for grading.
Marking camel leather hides for precision trimming.
Trimmed camel leather hides organized for next processing stage. Rotating drum, washing camel leather evenly. Camel hides transferred for tanning process. Sustainable tanning chemicals used for camel leather. Camel leather absorbing tanning solution evenly. Tanned camel leather ready for post-processing.
Rinsing stage to stabilize camel leather texture.
Neutralizing camel leather for durability. Excess moisture removal from camel leather. Uniform drying airflow across camel leather hides.
Texture evaluation of softened camel leather.
Surface smoothing process for camel leather.
Cleaning camel leather surface after buffing. Camel leather entering dyeing drums. Even dye absorption by camel leather. Precision color control in camel leather dyeing.
Natural oils enhancing camel leather flexibility.
Calibrating camel leather thickness.
cutting camel leather for luxury products.
Grading camel leather quality levels.
Heat finishing process for camel leather.
Final quality inspection of camel leather. Certified camel leather ready for export. Wrapping camel leather for safe transport.
Packaging identification for camel leather batches.
Stacked camel leather pallets ready for shipment.
Global export documentation for camel leather.
Camel leather, used in luxury car interiors.
Camel leather applied to premium furniture.
Final luxury products made from camel leather.
Sustainable camel leather production explained. 1. Ethical sourcing and byproduct utilization. 2. Resource.
World We Camel Leather Export Network. Premium finished camel leather roll.